kids ayaw pa kumain. Pero nagluto ako ng yung Japanese noodle right here. Called Tantan Ramen. So, yun. Masarap naman siya. May pagkakonting hindi ko nilagay lahat yung sauce kasi medyo pagka spicy siya. Tapos, yung nilaga kong egg, tatapins ko na lang siya dito. Tsaka yung kahapon na leftover na niluto kong shrimp, breaded shrimp right here. Tsaka yung hotdog. Yan ang i-breakfast namin ngayon. Kaya lang, hindi pa daw gutom yung mga chikiting. So, mauuna na ako at gutom na ako. So, ito, this is how it look like. Mukhang masarap naman siya. I tried this before. So, yan ang aking toppings. Egg and the breaded shrimp that I cooked last night. Yan ang dinner namin. So, yun, kain muna ako. Kain tayo yung mga kids. As usual, nasa kwarto. Playing their iPad. And Daddy James tulog pa, so I'm all by myself eating breakfast. Yan. Breakfast. Yummers. Yan. So, yan. Yan ang mukha niya, ang aking breakfast. Alright, kain tayo. Hello. G! You're the TV too loud. Di mo patapos yung pagkain mo. Kanina pa to. What time did you start that? 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock. I think she started her foods. What time? 1 o'clock? Eh, ngayon magpo-4 na kumakain pa rin. Pero marami naman siya kinain. Pasensya na kayo guys, itsura ko. Parang wala lang. Ano lang, tamadski lang. Ano nga pala ngayon? Monday ngayon dito sa amin. And it's holiday. So, hey, Blaze!
Hi, ma'am.
And walang school dahil nga it's Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Siguro alam nyo na. I don't have to explain it kung sino si Martin Luther King Jr. So, yun. Holiday ngayon. So, walang pasok. Kaya, medyo lazy day for us. For me, actually. Anyway, my husband already went to work. Si Daddy James. Medyo late na rin nagising kanina. Nung natutulog siya, sinabayan ko rin natulog uli. Matapos kumain. Kaya, I feel so guilty. After workout for how many days, and I'm getting lazy again. I'm supposed to run today. That was the plan. But, hindi natuloy. Dahil nga, tinamad. Tinamad. No, honestly, tinamad nga. So I feel so guilty. I've been continuously working out. But today I wasn't feeling parang sabi ko holiday, then holiday ko rin. Anyway, siguro yung ganun na naman gagawin ko kung anong gawaing bahay, linis, luto. Parang hindi naman ako mag-guilty siguro. I'm the one who's gonna walk Blaze later. Walk ko siya sa baba. Kahit walking lang para naman continue yung workout ko. Kasi I don't know, I felt something pag hindi ko continue yung workout ko parang kasi pag tinigil ko siya, once na tinigil ko siya, continuously na rin yun, natatama din ako. So, kailangan I have a motivation to do it. So, I try to make myself motivated to work. Work. work out, ha? Hindi mo. Yeah. Well, anyway. Yun lang. So far, what I've been doing. Pasensya na kayo sa tsura ko. Yes, wala pa akong ligo. Pasensya na. Palagi na lang ganito, no? Palagi na lang ang tsura ko. Well, I'm just being myself. Honest lang talaga ako. For what I am. So, yun. Habang nasa... Saan na ba? Yan. Nasa laundry yung mga labahin. Bababa kami ng mga kids. We're gonna go walking.
Was that thing charged ever since I was...
No, it wasn't. I don't know. Is it the charger or something?
Dark chocolate
When I
before we
took
go?
it off, it went charging and then I put it back in.
Yeah, but I look at it. It's still
I press on it.
It doesn't.
Anyone like
Take
dark
it off.
chocolate
Did you
before
take
we
it
go
off?
down?
What? What's that?
Anyone like dark chocolate before we go
No,
down?
we're supposed to go down not to eat. Did you prepare Blaze? Go get her leash.
Oh, the leash is inside.
What inside?
William Matt's room.
Kunin mo na Ato, Kuya Matt to put the leash.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Did you fix your room? Bakit ganyan yung room mo? Ang gulo. Okay, go put na yung leash niya. Behave, Blaze. Sit down.
Blaze!
Sit down. Oh, sit down. Ayan. Just getting him ready. So, yeah, we're gonna go down. Probably gonna walk.
Get off your guts.
Tapos, babalik ako. Anin ko yung i-dry. Siguro tapos na by the time I come back. And I'll dry the clothes. And then, I'll see if I'm gonna clean the house too. Yun lang ang buhay. Pag walang trabaho, not working, of course, that's how mom is. Clean, wash clothes. Dito sa America. America.
America.
America.
America.
America. So yun. Walk lang kami sa baba. Alright.
Look at this.
What's that?
When I was little, I was wearing this.
Yeah, your bracelet.
Yeah, but it doesn't
have
fit
it.
me anymore.
Still can. You just have to take out.
Yeah.
and put it. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's go down na. Alright. Gotta go down. So yeah, we're here downstairs na. And look at the monkey girl. Monkey girl on the trees. Be careful, ah.
Oh man, I want to slip away.
Remember the guard said don't do that.
Yeah.
Be careful, G.
Okay.
Might see you and scold you. Okay, come on, let's walk, Blaze.
Mommy.
Go down. Blazy Blaze.
We actually got the purple ball stuck there once.
Huh?
We actually got that purple ball stuck there
Oh.
once. You got it out.
Yeah. Blaze and mommy walking. There's me over here. Going much over there. There's Blaze going in the bushes.
There you go. No, don't be doing
Ah!
making boo-booing.
Here's the nice.
The
view
weather is nice
and the
today.
weather. Look, the sun is really bright.
Sunny bright.
Okay, he's
Oh.
the
Still doing it.
How come the poo not coming out?
Did it?
Oh, look, it's a small poo.
Wala na. Okay na?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay na siya. Tumok
There's
na.
Kuya Mat. And bye-bye.
Okay, so I'm back upstairs. Yung mga bata nagpaiwan pa rin sa baba. So yeah, I did walk place. And then nagwalk ako ng I was aiming 50 pero hindi na kaya. I walk 20 times lap from the park, the whole park. I went 20 walking lap. So yun, I feel a little bit better kasi at least I did something you know, proactive. Very active today. Tapos yun, pinunta ko na sa dryer yung labahin. Tapos, probably gonna mop the floor. And I'll see if I'm gonna cook something. Yun lang ang aking routine ngayon. I don't know if I'm gonna... Oh, I can feel my legs. Sorry, malaki talaga pusong ko. I can feel my legs. Talagang nag-aano siya from walking. Alam mo yung naman shaking. Parang may pumipindot-pindot sa ano. So, I guess it's really workout the way I walk. Yun lang. I feel good that I did something workout today. Kahit simpleng walking lang. So, yun. I don't know if you can hear my laundry washing. Naglagay pa ako ng isang load. So, bali dalawa lahat. So, while the other one is drying, the other one is washing. Yun lang gagawin ko. So, yung mga bata, napakaganda ng weather ngayon. Not too bad. I don't know if you can see it outside. Very, not too hot, not too, too cold. Tamang-tama lang. Yun. Wala nang ending, no? Yun lang ako ng yun. Sorry. Okay, so I told the kids to come back at 5:30. It's already 5, so I better get going. O, paliliguan ko pa pala si Blaze. Tinaas ko na. Come on, Blaze. Come. There. There you go. Tinaas ko na rin siya. When tumaas ako, tumaas na rin siya. So the kids can enjoy their play. Bakit ba palagi gumaganong pag hinawakan namin dito mo? May masakit ba? Sorry. Oh, I think something wrong with you. Come, Blaze! Yun. Massage ko si Blaze. Kasi every time na hawakan namin siya dito banda, dito, tumatahol siya. Like, gumaganon siya. Parang may masakit. So, I don't know. I was trying to feel it. Kung meron bang bali or something. Wala naman akong nararamdaman. You okay? Ha? Para maligo ka, para mabango. Okay, sana wala namang pilay, Lord. Kasi mahirap, 'di ba, pag may pilay yung aso, hindi nila masabi kung anong if something wrong with them, they cannot tell. So sana wala namang bali or something. Si Macho kasi minsan binubuhat niya sa kamay. And masyadong nawiwili. Sabi ko wag buhating ganun kasi baka mapilay. Sabi din ng daddy niya eh. Tigas ng ulong batang. Hindi pa kasi alam. You okay, Blaze? You okay, bebe? Mukhang okay naman na siya. Minawak ko dito. You see? Wala naman, di ba? Kung naano ka lang, nakikiliti ka lang. Who's back? Ang aga, sabi ko 5:30 pa. Bored daw sila downstairs, kaya bumaba ka agad. Hindi tuloy ako makapaglinis. Dito na, bumalik na kaagad. Maybe 5 minutes after I came back.
Go ahead, Jenny.
I came back right away.
Listen, okay. Don't worry about Blaze,
And
my
more
man.
for getting so
Yeah,
bored.
but make sure don't carry him with his arm, yeah?
Okay.
I think every time you touch here, it hurts. He always go like this.
No, it's because whenever I touch here or on the butt, he was. Maybe he does that because maybe because he doesn't want you to touch them.
Really? He wasn't like that before, right?
So bored.
I know. He was strong and mighty. Now he's sensitive from touching most
The
of
butt and the bed.
the butt.
Sensitive
and
ka
the
na ba,
rib.
Blaze?
Lick my hand if you are. Sit down,
We're
backpack.
gonna give him a
Okay.
bath again.
Okay. Angeline is now backpack.
A what?
Backpack. The dog. She calls herself that.
So Angeline's
Ew,
pretending
I
a
think
dog.
we just
How does he when you get him up? How does she look like?
Okay.
Ang pangit.
Ow, ow.
You guys. Si Angeline. No need the dog then. Jillian, let's return Blaze then. You're the dog now.
No!
You want the real dog, not the fake dog. A real muggo. Mutt. Come on, Mutt. That's his new name, Mutt. Related to me, Matt. Mutt, come here.
Look!
Come on, Mutt.
Look! Mommy,
Blaze.
look!
Ew.
Look this!
There. Helping mom folding the
Loto.
clothes, the laundries.
Loto. It's called Loto.
Good job, guys.
Sorry.
I did that, and they're doing all the shorts and the pants. You're not going,
You had socks. You will go like.
Okay, gonna go Ligo too. She's reading her books before we sleep.
I wonder where they could be hiding, he said. Penguin waddled over the ice until he met Moose. Hello, Mr. Moose. Have you seen my friends? He asked. Not that I know of.
Say good night na.
Good night. Please subscribe and like and share. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in another vlog.
Bye. God bless. Mwah.
Can we read the whole story?